About this, I'm going to show you the handheld turbo. Miele makes one of the best turbo nozzles in the industry by far. Airflow wise and just how this works is pretty phenomenal. It has a nylon bristle on the inside of it, so you can see just how soft these are right here. Very soft bristles. And this head actually adjusts depending on the angle that you hold it down to the ground. Okay, so Miele includes this tool. It's great for getting pet hair up. It's great for getting pet hair off of your furniture and those places. It has an extra large turbine on the inside of it, so when the air activates the turbine, it's going to go ahead and spin this, which turns the brush. And this turbine actually has a cog belt system on the inside. You can see the little teeth that the belt runs on there. It's not a stretch belt, it's actually a fiberglass cog belt on the inside, which is a lot heavier grade than the cheaper turbo brushes that are out on the market. And what's nice is you can totally open this if you need to clean some pet hair out of it without using any tools. You depress that button right there, makes it easy. I always keep a little Leatherman on me, you know, just in case, but not everybody has tools, so they can pop that off and go ahead and use it to clean it. So it's a friction fit tool. It's just going to go ahead and pop right on. It also rotates back and forth, just like that. So it makes it really easy to use. The key to using this tool isn't to press down really hard, it's just to groom and let the brush do the job to pick up. So I'll show you. See all that? See all that fake pet hair? All right. So it's a great tool, awesome tool comes with it. This is normally a $75 tool that you just get with the CatDog. So this is a huge value with this particular C3 model.